Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable Ajax in Formidable form in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So first we are going to fill this form. So we added some information and then click on submit. Now you see page is reloading. So we are going to fix it and we are going to enable Ajax. Now refresh the page. Back to form. So we are in form and then on top you see settings, so click on it. Now setting open and scroll down, you see Ajax. Submit this form with Ajax, enable this option and then click on update. Now form updated, go to form page, refresh the page. Now we are going to fill this form and then you see submit button, so click on it. Now you see page is not reloaded after submission. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.